The inaugural RS1 World Championships were held in the Philippines on Boracay Island at the end of 2012. A strong lineup of competitors of 15 nationalities included current Olympic gold medalist Marina Alabao from Spain and former bronze medalist Bryony Shaw from Great Britain. Winds ranged from 8 to 30 knots, making for some exciting and close racing. A consistent performance from local favourite Gaylord Covita and 2 first on the last day was enough to hold off his challengers and take the RS1 men's world title. Hong Kong's Chung Ting Lee managed to hold on with a 1.48 on the final day to secure the RS1 men's Espoir world title. Heading into the last race, it was a 3-way battle at the top of the women's standings between Spain, Great Britain and Hong Kong, with the podium places decided in the very last race. Despite a slow start to the series, Marina Alabao had found a rhythm and came from behind in the final race to finish second, enough to secure the RS1 Women's World title. Hosted by Neil Pryde, this ISAF-approved one-design class produced some close and exciting racing in Boracay and was enjoyed by competitors and spectators alike.